Now, we want to do question 5a. Here, the question says, if the real number solutions exist, we need to find the solutions by quadratic formula. So first, we need to do is we need to have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And we got to use the quadratic formula. Then you got to remember the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus minus radical b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's the formula. Now right here we have a says x squared plus 8x and then minus 7 is 0. Be careful here is that in front of x squared is 1. So here we have a, here we have a b, here we have a c. Then we got to plug in all those values into this formula. Then we are done. So x equals b should be negative 8. B is 8 because you all the time have negative. So negative 8. And then plus minus b squared minus 4a is 1. 4ac is negative 7. Divided by 2 times a, again a is 1. Okay. So plus minus 8 plus minus. Here is, now we do the calculation here. 8 squared is 64. And then 4, 7, 28. And then you add those two together because you have a negative here. Negative here. So you get positive. Then you have a 2 here, and then there's negative 2. There's 92. Okay. So then here we have a 92, but 92 is which number times which number? 92. Since here there is a 2, we know this one can be divided by 2. Then what we get here is 46. It can also be divided by 2, so we know it's 23. So 92 is actually what? 2 squared times 23 equals 2, over 2. And then what we get is negative 4 plus minus. Here will be 2 out times 23 over 2. That's negative 4 plus minus. And here's radical 23. So the solution set is, you want to use the curly braces. That's negative 4 plus radical 23 and negative 4 and then minus radical 23. So that will be our solution. Okay, that is for A Now, let's work on question 5. And we do I. Which question is that? Is the question right here. So we want first copy the question. Here is x squared minus 12x minus 7 equals 0. Again, here we have a 1. Okay? And then here is A, here is B, here is C. So then you have a x equals negative 12, because there is always negative in front of it. And then plus minus b squared minus 4ac. Okay. Divided by 2 times a. And then negative is positive. Radical inside. We'll find out this value. Divided by 2. 2 times 1. Now, here, negative 12 squared is 144. And then plus 28. So here we shall have a 28 here. And then we do add. Here will be 2, and here is 7, and here is 2. So this number again can be divided by 2. So here is 8, here is 1. Let's see. No, 6. 6. Because 2 times 86 is 172. And then you do another one, 43. So basically here is 2 squared times 43. And then 12, positive, negative. Here is 2 squared. So you got 2 out. And then times radical 43 divided by 2. So the answer, again, want to do like that. 12 divided by 2, that's 6. And here, 2 radical 43, this 2 has to divide this 2. So 2 goes to 2 different places. That will be positive radical 43. So what's the solution set? The solution set is 6 plus radical 3, not radical 3. 6 plus radical 43. And then 6 minus radical 43. Okay? So, I'll keep my video